I know so many of them now, and that's how you will make a network, by genuinely just trying to provide value. What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna answer all of your Instagram questions which you send me. Thank you for sending those questions. And also I'm gonna do something funny. I'm gonna walk around my house and find different areas to shoot because I cannot go outside and walk, so might as well use my house and walk around and answer your question. Let's get started. This is my office and I'm gonna start here. The first question is from Prem Chaudhary. Are research paper compulsory for getting admission in masters? And he also says love from Hyderabad. Love back, and no. Answer is no. It is not compulsory to get admission in masters. Okay, I'm in kitchen right now. So next question is by Vishal. Do you feel sometimes that you should head back to India? I actually feel twice, or two times is when I feel it. One is if I want to eat Indian food, that is when I miss the India the most. Two is when I want to be with my family and spend time with them and be with them. So next question, I'm still in kitchen. Next question is by Saran. Is it better to go to normal university with assistantship or good university which is expensive? Great question. I think that is totally personal to you. If you have money, then go to good university. But if you feel like you need some financial help, then I would go with assistantship. Now I'm gonna contradict. I think you should go with the normal university with assistantship. Here's why. Because see, I'm assuming the assistantship is teaching assistantship or RA assistantship or grader assistantship, regardless whatever this is. But this is an opportunity to work on campus already given to you, which means you'll be working with a professor. That, if that's what I'm thinking, that tells me that you have a networking opportunity. You can already build your network, your brand and your relationship on campus before even going to United States. So I think that's a great opportunity. You shouldn't miss out. And let me tell you, when you're finding jobs, your professors or the research persons, the people you're going to work with, they are gonna be the one who's gonna refer you. They're the one who's gonna give a good word to their friends company. The professors are going to reach out to companies to tell that, hey, I have a good student. So I would choose that compared to saving some money. Going to good university. And also return of investment. I mean, you're going to have assistantship, which means you have money, you will be making some money and you will save a lot of money and probably will be able to pay back your loan very quickly. That's what I would do. I am in this room, which is, we don't have a name for this. It has a fireplace, it has some chairs, and we just sit down. Sometimes I spend my morning time over here, might spend my morning thoughts over here. So yeah, we don't have a name, but I have a question. Vishwa 93 says your salary and your 12th mark. My salary, I made a video, go check it out. My 12th mark, I did not do 12th, I did 10th and then I did diploma. So 10th May I got 75%, and then diploma I was third state topper. I got 80, no, 91, 92 percentage. I was weirdly good at studying, memorizing, ratifying things. So yeah, I'll probably make a video on that someday. I'm still in the same room, the chairs, you can see that. Next question is by Anu. I heard that US company won't prefer or recruit international student for security or networking job. Not true. I have many friends who are in security and networking, depending on what kind of a role you are, and unless you're like into like FBI or some form of agency or dealing with government data, probably not. But there are many other companies like VMware. They do a lot of networking. Some Cisco, another networking company, Intel, another. I mean, not networking, but yeah, there are many other companies which would hire students. So don't worry about that. Okay, I'm still in the same room, but just different spot. Question is, Sohail Ahmed, is it still worth it continuing education in US if I join this semester? Spring 20. Yes, I mean, yeah, you should still continue it. Don't give up. Next question is by Tarun. Consider we go into fall 2020. Okay. What do you think are the opportunities for summer CPT in 2021? I don't know. I would be lying if I tell you something because I just don't know. I can't predict the future. I don't know how long this whole situation is gonna last. I don't know how long it'll take the recession to recover and how long the market will take to recover. So there's a lot of unknown, so it's hard to predict what is going to be in next year. Sorry, I couldn't answer your question. So that's the room I was talking about. You can see entire view now. The next question is, or rather comment by Satyajit is, you are the best, period. Thank you, Satyajit. This is the best question or comment, period. Another very nice question and kind comment, Akshay Nair says, can I give you a big hug for everything you're doing to us when I come there and meet you? 100% Akshay, I love to hug, and right now virtual hug to you because social distancing. But yes, when you come to United States, text me and let me know that you are in United States, and if you ever come to northern part of California like San Francisco, Sacramento, Chico, uh, just text me. I'll be there. I'll come meet you. We will hug and maybe even post a picture on Instagram that I made my promise to hug you. This is the dining area. Next question is Sahid Mudassir Hashmi. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name right. If a middle class guy can get into MIT or Stanford, and can he pay off his fees with part time and internship? I don't think so. I think it's gonna be really tough. I think they are expensive, and also you probably won't make that much money, but I think you will be close. It'll be very good salary. So yeah, I'm near the dining room window right here. Question by Jitu: who's your favorite cricketer? My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni. Opposite view of the window. Next question is by Sai Krishna. Which software do you use to edit all your videos? I use Final Cut Pro. This is the living room. You've probably seen it in my recent videos. I shoot here sometimes now. Next question is by Vivek Reddy. How's your workout going? It's going great. I have been doing a lot of push-ups and squats and yoga. So getting back at it, hopefully will get to my weight loss journey. Next question by Shreya Joshi is, what certification should I do for MIS before to build my skill set? I'm making a video on how to build your portfolio for business analyst, data analyst, project manager, scrum master, and all of those things. Wait, just like how I did for software developer, I'm making for those as well. Give me maybe 1 week. In 1 week, I'll probably post that. Still living room, just relaxing. Next question is by Unnati. How do you manage your time so well while doing so many things all together perfect? Unnati, thank you so much for saying that. I really appreciate it. I wake up early. Two, I make my to-do list every morning, that what are the most important things I need to do. Once I have the list, I just focus on it to get it done because that gives me happiness. I'll probably make a video on how time management. I've been saying this for a very long time, but I will make video on time management. Next question is Levinath. Is doing a degree in US worth it? Yes, 100%. Now I'm near the entrance of my house. Next question is by Mikesh. What is your height, Bhaiya? My height is 6 feet. Okay, I'm in my backyard now. Next two questions are about networking. I'm gonna put my camera down and answer that question. Okay, next question is by Rajvi. Can you please share some tips for building network and good connection? Rajvi, that's a great question. And there's another question. Swapnil is asking how to start building network from first day of masters. They both are related to networking, so I'm gonna speak a little bit about it. So the thing is, with the networking, I mean, in India or whichever country you are from, how do you build a friendship? How do you build relationship? That's exactly what you need to do. You just have to be genuine. You just have to be nice. There are certain things which you can say, there are certain things you cannot say. But I genuinely think that people in America really want to know the culture, really want to understand you. They will take interest in your life, and as long as you are like open to them, and as long as you're nice and kind and don't have that selfish motive behind it, the networking, that I am going to network with this guy because this guy is going to get me job. Don't do that. It will show. Instead, just be nice and kind and just reach out to people. There are several things which you can do. One is getting involved on campus. Very, very important. There are so many clubs on campus, so you can go to different events, and most likely your hobby, which is painting, dancing, boxing, playing chess, playing cricket, playing soccer, most likely there will be a club on campus, and if it is, go and join that club and see what they do. I found out that there's a filmmaking club on campus for Chico State, so I went and I joined them. That's how I made friends. There was no meditation club and no yoga club, so I made my own club. Here are some footage from my yoga club and meditation club. Look how many students showed up for my first couple of events, and I had like 80-100 students showed up. I know so many of them now, and that's how you will make a network, by genuinely just trying to provide value, being nice, network with your professors. Professors are the best way to get you involved on campus as well. Maybe I'll make a detailed video about this whole thing, that how to build a network, how to build a relationship, how to get involved. So watch for that, but those are some quick tips for you. Next question is by Prashant. MS in CSDS in USA versus Australia, considering the job opportunities, etc. A great question, Prashant. So there were some subscribers who wanted to come to United States, but they instead went to Australia, and they reached out to me saying that how the things are bad, and even there's economic crisis, and even the people are having hard time finding a job even on campus. But there's some strange thing which he said, which was that you can get some off-campus and odd jobs, and easily make more money and get PR, which was kind of very tricky. So what I'm gonna do is we schedule a Skype meeting to go over these things, and that is gonna be recorded on video. So I'll upload that video on like life in Australia as an international student, and jobs on campus, and job after masters. So wait for that video. Hopefully that'll be very soon. Okay, that's it for this video. There are like so many questions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep continuing to record it, but I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you for sending the question, and in the comment let me know if you want me to make this like a weekly thing. Would you like that? Like if I make this every week, we do this Q&A questions. Is this helpful? There are definitely some questions which are like more personal, but there are some good questions. Let me know in the comment section. I think that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until our next one, keep smiling, keep hustling, gotta hustle every single day. Don't give up on your dream.